Divine's Blessing, Divine's Love Seminar. I'm AMRITA VIMALA. Vedic Mathematics, Ekadhikena Purvena, Class 8, Multiplications below 100. Sum 2, 91 into 99. Multiplication we have to do same logic only, but base is 100. If base is 100 means right side answer should be 2-digit number, that you should keep in your mind. Now I'll teach you. Logic 1, when we sum the unit place number, that is 1 plus 9. See the image. Unit place number is what? 1 and 9. Okay. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Okay. Logic 2. Tens place number 9. Same number. So, what do you have to do? We should multiply with next number. Okay. See the image and write step by step. Then you will understand. Step 1. Split the numbers as shown in the figure. Image. Step 2. Next number 9 is multiplied by next number, that is tens place number. 9 tens are 90, that is left side answer, LHS. LHS answer is 90, we found 1. Then step 3, multiply the unit place number. 1 nines are 9. 9 is not the answer. 09 is the answer of right side answer, that is our HS. Because base is 100, 100, 2 zeros are there. So what we have to do? 2 numbers should be in right side. Here only 9 is there, 1 digit. So we are adding 0. 09 is the answer. Full complete answer is 9009 is the answer. Just see the image and mind calculation how you have to do. Just see. 91 into 99. Same number in tens place. Unit place 1 plus 9 is 10. Then we have to follow this logic. Tens place left side answer first calculate. 9 next number is 10. 9 tens are 90. Unit place multiply. 1 nines are 9. Base is 100. So 2-digit number should be. So we are adding 10. 09 is the right side answer. Total answer 9009 is the answer. Thank you. My humble and heartfelt thanks to you all. God will shower all blessing to all. Thank you.